Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Toxoplasma IgM ELISA kit. So as you can see, this is the top view and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. As you can see, this is the Toxoplasma IgM ELISA kit. You can see the catalog number present here, TX024M. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry date. It has a standard expiry of 2 years. It's a 96 well plate ELISA kit. It has an optimal storage temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the kit contains the coated well plate. Then there is the control and the standard test. Then the enzyme conjugate, the wash buffer, the stop solution, the substrate. Then we have the certification of analysis. Then we have the IFU brochure which comes with the kit. So as you can see, you can find the manufacturing address over here. It is manufactured by Calbiotech in California, USA. So let me show you the sides of it. So as you can see, it is made in USA. It's made in California. So guys, let me open this kit for you. So as you can see on the top, we have the IFU brochure, the Toxoplasma IgM ELISA IFU brochure for the kit. So let me show you the content of the kit. So this is the IFU brochure. So this sheet of paper contains all the necessary informations to use to perform the ELISA kit. So this is the Toxoplasma IFU brochure. So let me keep this aside. Then we have the certification of analysis for the Toxoplasma IgM ELISA kit. All the expiry date for the kit is present in this sheet of paper. So let me keep this here. Then we have the 96 well plate, coated well plate. You can see this is the Toxoplasma coated well plate. You can see this is a 96 well plate kit. So let me keep this aside. Then we have the couple of reagents present in this kit. So let me take this reagents out. So as you can see, there is a couple of reagents present with this kit. So as the first thing is the Toxoplasma IgM positive control. Then we have the calibration. Then we have the negative control for the IgM. Then we have the enzyme conjugate. Then we have the TMB substrate conjugate. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the IgM sample diluent. Then we have the wash concentrate. So guys, as you can see, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Toxoplasma IgM ELISA kit. So as you can see, this kit comes with the standard 96 well plate, Toxoplasma coated well plates. Then we have the wash concentrate. Then we have the IgM sample diluent. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the TMB substrate. Then we have the enzyme conjugate. Then we have the positive control. Then we have the calibration. Then we have the negative control. We have the certification of analysis. And at last we have the IFU instruction for you browser for it. So this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Toxoplasma IgM ELISA kit. Thank you.